Although the Dow is trading higher today, it might have nudged the top of this resistance level right here. However, the other indexes, such as the transportation index, is still in the process of doing a J-hook pattern, where there's evidence now that the next wave, wave 3, should be the same magnitude as wave 1. The S&P 500, after the strong gap up last week above the T-line, also has the prospects of coming back up to the top of the trend channel, indicating that there's probably more upside in these markets. Home Depot is an example of how to use the candlesticks to equate as to what is going to happen where everybody else is watching. For example, look at the doji sandwich, which usually indicates more upside. Look where it closed, right at the 50-day moving average. If it opens positive tomorrow, it's telling us it's confirming the doji sandwich, number one. Number two, there's this little downtrending resistance level. A positive open also indicates that level is being breached, making the next target probably the top of this, the next resistance level. So when we can add up the different elements of what type of strength is being created by a candlestick signal and where a breakout point is, it gives us that much more probability that on a positive trade, it's still going much higher. That same scenario can be applied to analyzing the trend for FedEx. After it came up, got through the 50, pulled back to the 50, did a Morningstar signal, and started back up. If it breaks out through this level, it tells us they're probably going up to get back into the trend channel, indicating more upside. With this type of analysis, it allows investors to have the right timing for either getting into a stock trade or, more importantly, when to add or get into an option trading position where you're not waiting for something to happen. You've got a very good outlook as far as when something is happening right now. Our recommendation on ENLK was based upon a Morningstar type signal right off the T-line, a doji sandwich that told us that if they opened positive today, they were trading positive. Well, what's this thing? With the magnitude of this candle right here probably being the same as this, the magnitude as this candle right here. And if that's the case, it was telling us they were breaking out of this level going into new territory. Candlestick analysis is merely the identification of repeating signals that are based upon human nature, and it allows you to anticipate what's happening at important technical levels. This is what puts the probabilities for candlestick investors greatly in their favor, not only for direction, but for timing and for a magnitude of the next move. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.